Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So Hamster Combat has already fixed the glitch on their app, and in this video I will show you how to reactivate your Hamster Combat bot. The glitch on this app is not a big deal. It actually happened due to the fact that a lot of people are jumping on Hamster Combat and the server couldn't accommodate everyone, or they were doing an update on the app, and it might even be both. So without any delay, let's get straight to the point.
So all you need to do is to open your Telegram account and you search for Hamster Combat. So the bot will be showing right here. So you click on it, and the next thing you have to do is to type start, START. Then you send it, and you now click on play in one click. Play in one click, that is the first option up here. So you click on it, and your Hamster Combat will be working fine. So you will also meet all your coin and your profit power, everything will be there as you left it. So that will be all for this video.